Well, we're here at the WRU training facilities in Areas Park this morning, getting advice on how to prepare and deal with injuries during the walk. We've had a fantastic presentation from Ashley and Stuart. All the science and everything was made so clear.
Started off with a small presentation this morning just about how to walk, really. I know it sounds stupid, but how to walk the gait cycle, what muscles you're required to do that. So a little bit of theory behind what we were doing in the gym.
We didn't prepare I didn't personally prepare as much as I should have last year, but this has been absolutely fantastic.
Out of the aerobic testing, we'll give them scores that they can then work off in their training. Just make sure they're doing the right thing at the right time. So they've got their plans, they know now, hopefully, what to do, when to do it and how to do it.
I think thinking back to last year, one of the biggest problems was problems with hip stiffness, and that developed after the first day or two really, and they've given us quite a few exercises this morning that will help greatly with those. And I think there's a lot to be said about doing the exercises correctly as well, and I've learned a thing or two this morning about how to do the stretches correctly.
I'm looking forward now to go away and do these exercises, as I feel that they are already, just after doing a little bit there now this morning, using the proper muscles to prepare for the walk.
Look, I think it's fabulous what you're doing. You know, last year was huge, but this year it's going to be doubly huge. The focus, the whole of the world and Wales will be watching. So the pressure's on, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we wanted to help. Fellow GOGs,
Here we are.
We've got some great people, some great staff who are really wanting to get a part of it, because the relationship with Air Ambulance, WRU and Gwyliwch Cymraeg is vital.
Part of what we talked about as well today was a little bit about psychology of it, of working as a team. As much as we are at RGC as a rugby team, they're a team of walkers and actually relying on each other. Some guys are more experienced than others. It's leaning on each other at the right times and being the team and actually coexisting. If they do that well, hopefully we'll take away some of what we've done today. Then in terms of perseverance, I'll be able to get to the end. You should find that a little bit easier, and that team cohesion should make a big difference.